I weep for the parents of this generation. I wouldn't blame them because they cannot give what they don't have. The purpose of going to church is to grow your blessings as well as your spirituality and relationship with God. How can Christian parents be playing songs like Flavor, Davido, Wizkid or Lamide, to mention but few, to their kids? What seed are they planting into their lives? Immoral videos are on rampage, polluting the souls of these little kids. Yet our parents sit back at home, watch them watching these videos. Come to school parties, go to TV stations where you have Christians as staffs and heads, yet they play these polluted songs for their kids to dance. Christians, what you cannot see a devoted Muslim doing. You cannot be a Christian in church on Sunday morning and go to your house on Sunday evening and turn your house or your home into Sodom and Gomorrah in the name of fun. For what? Our kids who are supposed to be taught how to carry their cross and follow Jesus are now being given guns and drugs and habitual immorality and concupiscence. If you give that child cross today, he will give you glory tomorrow. But if you give him or her immorality in the name of fun today, he or she will give you shame and pain. Share this message. Let's save our children today. I am Spitfire Chineductus. Don't be a foolish parent. The Lord is good.